When someone they sweet me, like for our side, we say, oh, so boom. Now we say, no, sweet me, die.
Which of the side be that?
No, for data, my data side. No.
Osogboom.
My data, it go Osogboom. Hell! But our own form of expression now. Hey! Ho! Yo! Osogboom. How they take speaker for Bini?
It's something on the sweet
It's not the sweet you. Hey, yo, hey, lao.
Hey,
pa lao.
Why on earth you go to see that Palao?
I don't know.
You don't say Palao, me?
Maybe you dey greet.
No, as a Palao, let's just say one bros, the handle, you say, hey, Palao.
But for Benin, you saw the sweet person.
Ah, yeah, already.
For those that year, God, oh my God, it's a bit shout, Ewele. I say, Ewele, na Benin.
Ewele, na borrowed slang.
Na borrowed one, abi.
They like get slang well.
I don't forget plenty, but that year, when I go school, come back that year, you enter Lagos, and they worry on my Lagos friends, say, calm down now. It's why your pitch is just different. But a mixture, just mixture of worry on day there. Lagos, so there's somewhere inside.
Everything.
Every, but we are a one nation. We are a one nation. I tell you, say Timmy. Timmy.
Single.
Lord of God. See, make I tell everybody when they for as they watch, like just pray to God. Say, Father Lord, give me one idea.
What you gonna do?
We're gonna bring you money 247.
Do anniversary on top of.
I tell you, say Timmy go chop this period, Abi.
Yeah.
My brother, all over television throughout this weekend.
Even for radio, I hear
Now Timmy just sing. Now only you sing song. I go sing go. We are needed. They say they sing like who won't cry.
Yes, so.
Make you do your go do what they your cut.
But Timmy, he the pitch out.
Timmy. That song where you sing, I never see man where they sing like that. Now women they sing am.
You get one competition where they do, I don't call the name. They all of them where they contest, they can't do that same song. As a plenty, they swear the song.
I see him. I watch him.
I vex.
If like him even coach themselves.
Yeah, I vex.
I say they turn out to one kind.
Like blues.
Like blues. Take up like say wait. Mona sing, Mona go sit down back. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the cocoa of the day.
Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa. Make a tell them the cocoa.
Cocoa number one. Bang. All right. So now, these days, people when they want to marry and do all those marriage plenty things, people don't they do different. If you see proposal these days, Nigeria may not they try for proposing, no.
Yeah, they turn.
Nigeria may not they try. Get one guy I see for Instagram. Was it this morning also? The guy he just arranged some dancers, make they come dance for one mall for Ikeja. As they dance, and the guy just run, very big guy like this, you know sabi dance, but you try, you run good. Just fall in the crowd. Instead, they come like big fool. But anyway, when it comes to woman matter, no man be fool. All of us, we don't say we died there. If our first father does wear fool himself, Adam, the rest of us, who are we? Who are we? We foolish on. Your job, you're going to do. The wife going to look, the babe going to look, say, this one when my husband go the.
Waiting the shack out.
Waiting the sweeter. Now the next thing, she can't code, say, if let her ring, go and follow. She only do, oh my God, oh my God. This guy say, come kneel down, give her a ring. Wow, people they shout up and down, many things. So Nigeria may not they try.
They try
to do this, Now when person go block road, and the final person you block express. You enter center of express, do trailer like this. Hey, everybody just stop. You call the girl come out from Simon to get full last and you and ring. The girl say, no. Some girls bad there. They plan you to fall your hand.
She began to cheat on me last time, and you want to cheat on me last time. I will fall your hand publicly. You will see yourself.
But for this one now, pre-wedding photo shoot. But some people don't they too do. She be like, last time we talk about one where they go climb mountain.
Yes.
They climb mountain, they take their photo this one now, they go sit down on top horse.
Horse?
They put the girl on top horse, make she for the, see the pictures, make she for them, they take their picture on top horse, make the, for do their pre-wedding. Now the horse fling the woman.
And free the girl.
He free him.
Say, free me now.
He just threw away the babe. He threw away him as a fling and throw away inside water. But as it take be, they also want people to say, come, even if you try to do your pre-wedding shoot, see the horse just throw away face like say, I don't know what happened.
I beg you.
She slipped and fell from my back. I cannot come and ask her, but matter I take B, make everybody just, be careful, I beg. I don't see one, you get one down where I read about last time they go down on top railway. On top railway, where train can they come. Nothing happen, but before they come, they pack everything, they come out. If of course wahala, you get. So in the bid to wanting to be a bit more romantic, please can we all adhere to instructions and just be very, very, sensible while trying to, take our romantic gestures to the next level. All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I believe with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not to confuse you that sense must be given in your pre-wedding shoot. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. That year debate at the run. See me now, they do like Sasabi. Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the coco.
All right. Now, this particular mother, now for Portugal, this will happen. This momsy, she do one thing where I believe say they very, very applaudable. They're supposed to clap for the woman and say, you try. Her pikin now, for school, the pikin get one other classmate. With the classmates, now cancer patient. And because the cancer patient, me say they go shave in hair. You understand? Because now part of the, you go shave hair and all that. The pikin now, her pikin now can't go the girl say, Abolo! You go they worry the girl, they bully the girl, they worry the girl, they bully the girl. Now the mama can't find out one day. No worry. Now you see the picture. Now the woman gather the pikin head. Say you they go the young person we get cancer be. Sit down for here. Now put her under in between the leg. Start to they cut the pikin hair. He cut her. Say that pikin where you go resemble her today. All because the pikin they bully a cancer patient. Say the mama they commode the hair.
The hair
say,
plenty gone.
The hair plenty now. This all if you gather all this hair now, take they wash one full lorry. Go turn to sponge. Blood. It's good for her. Before, how she go, she don't see her future. As mama they come out the hair, they don't look at future. So I go be like this girl for school. You understand? So suppose the young people they go through stuff.
At least ask.
At least, I watched one movie last night actually, and then about cancer patients. The girl began leukemia. I know it was very painful. At last, the girl can't die. But before she died, waiting, she can't scatter the whole family. Plenty wahala here, plenty wahala there. The family, papa, mama, they vex for each other. Family can't turn upside down because that girl kills. They can't take some of the younger sister blood, just some kind things from the sister body just to take the patch up, fix her up. They can't reach where she can't say she don't try. Say she won't just die go. So, but the process towards her own death, it was painful, beautiful sometimes because family can't come around, they go play.
Smile with her.
The thing teach me to appreciate life. They can't carry the girl go beach one time. She can't sit down, they look the sun. She said, her last time she could see sun be this because her days on the count. She can't sit down, they look the sun. The parents just sit down for back, they look at small, until finally the mama don't the whole arm since. Say, mama don't want to cry, the mama they form strong. I can be there for you, don't worry. Keep accepting that you can still live, The guy don't give up since. Guess say, mommy forget, I go die. The mama can't cry one night, cry. The girl hold on. Before next morning, the guy don't go. He pain. Even me when they watch, I say, yeah.
As they talk myself,
They pain you, Abi. No cry. You get muscle. No cry. If you go to cry, now they say, I see this guy with muscle. You go to cry anyhow for public TV. But we need to appreciate life, and the life where God don't give all of us like this. And more they appreciate her. Make I use the opportunity to one of our biggest bros for the industry, Basket Mouth. He losing momsy, and then still based on diabetes things. You understand? Make the whole family collect our condolences. We say sorry to the family, to Basket Mouth family. God will give them the fortitude to bear the loss. All right? God bless you now. All right. So finally, Coco number 3, quickly.
I'm in love with the coco.
All right. So Kenyan president don't order officials them. Don't order me they sack officials them for delaying to pay the youth and the women suppliers. Very applaudable. Now, the youth and the women suppliers. They get different businesses, so they supply the country with different things. Now the government officials then we suppose they pay them money. We supposed to take care of them. Some of them come they chop the money. Some of them come they hold the money. Some of now Africa thing now you know understand. Now waiting the warriors for this side.
It's not Nigeria they do
The only thing say for that side, there's some people they give and chop. You know, but for we own. you understand?
No worry.
When you live like that, we know. No worry. You think God will expose things one day. But for this one now, the president can't find out. See, money where these people then when they supply the youth and the women, then they supply the money they're supposed to collect for their supplies. You know they reach them. Now the guy your vest one day after you find out. Now it's mean they sack all of those government people that we supposed to say. Waiting in talk. Say Mr. Kenyatta said. There are cases where businesses started by young people have collapsed because government departments are not paying them for supplies. Because most of the young people there for that side, once they go start one business, you think we just die. Because the money was supposed to be paid them, you know they reach their hand. You understand? For this country, oh my God! Would they complain? Yahoo runs girls, Yahoo boys runs girls, Yahoo boys runs girls. Which work could I give them? Which work? Even though I not go encourage it, you know. But which work could I give them? Mona self come and say, we give them so work. They no agree work.
They no agree do.
Then I'm going to say, okay, fine. You know, then they no agree work. Badness does in their blood. But many people who are involving in some kind of things today,
no encouragement.
No encouragement. So government self, make una self wake up and do the thing we're not supposed to do. Not be chop alone and die alone. Please, let us all shop in the national cake. What's strong to you? Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I'll say thank you very much. Go on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, give me your own side of the whole gist. I like this one with this Kenya president do. Sack everybody.
Give them
you know they hear that they sack people in this country. You know they hear that they sack one fool.
You're here, but you not go happen.
They all lock up. Now yours and they style us, say that they walk. Next they just lock up again. So make they hear from now very soon, all right? We'll come back right now with my guests.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.